welcome back to the Soul Dashboard. My name is Johann, and today we are walking through how to efficiently manage and track your business expenses. Accurate expense tracking is the key to maximizing your tax deductions. To begin, navigate to the Expenses section on the left-hand menu. This overview shows your total, matched, and pending expenses for the current period. To add a new expense, click the New Expense button in the top right corner. You have two options: create manually or upload receipt image or PDF. We will demonstrate the manual creation process. First, you have the option to add a photo of your receipt. We highly recommend uploading your receipt file here to keep a clean, digital record. Next, fill in the expense details. Start with a clear expense description, such as taxi ride or office supplies. Then enter the price of the purchase and select the date it occurred. You must assign a supplier by searching for an existing contact or adding a new one. Crucially, select the correct category for tax preparation. We will select travel for this taxi ride. Finally, confirm the payment status, whether it was paid with cash, and specify whether you need to include GST by toggling the switch. Once all details are verified, click Save. You will receive a confirmation that the expense has been created successfully, and you will return to the expenses overview. The new expense is instantly visible in your list, ready for tax preparation and reporting. You can click the View icon at any time to review the expense details and the associated receipt image. If you have any further questions on this process, please contact our support team. Thank you.